really wanna zig a zig ah. If you want my future, forget my past. If you wanna get with me.
Everyone, Maz at the Figaro shop here from the parts department. A quick video today to tell you about our annual Black Friday sale. This year, it's 15% off, blanket off every product for 72 hours. In addition to that though, we're going to offer you 25% off 5-star products. These products have received 5-star reviews from our customers on FIFO and will elevate the performance and aesthetics of your Figaro. We're going to announce these products over the next 2 weeks, so keep your eyes peeled. We're limiting them to 15 of each product. Our Black Friday sale is going to start on midday on the 28th of November, running until midday Sunday the 1st of December. In addition, we're offering 15% on bookings at our body shop and workshop. Bookings need to be made on the 28th or 29th of November and work to be scheduled and completed by the 28th of February. The code for Black Friday will be announced on social media on Thursday morning. If, though, you subscribe to our newsletter, you'll be sent an early access code on the morning of the 27th of November. That means you can beat the rush and get priority on all of our in-stock parts before they sell out. Happy shopping.